The legendary MEDUSA 5.1 True Surround Headset. The legendary MEDUSA, the headset which already attracted hordes of professional gamers in the previous millennium, has now entered an advanced stage. Comfort Plus. The rugged, lightweight construction with its practical collapsible system offers precise notch positions for length adjustment and spacious, freely pivoting ear cups. Use the triple axis adjustment to customize every single detail of the MEDUSA to suit your requirements and individual preferences. 5.1. Pros need true 5.1 surround sound power to know precisely where they are in their game world. Thanks to 4 perfectly positioned driver units in each ear cup, you can tell exactly where every noise is coming from in the virtual scene. Secure your tactical advantage while being enveloped in a 3-dimensional symphony of sound in realistic surround sound quality. Microphone. While waging war on the digital battlefield, interactions with comrades in arms need to be flawless. For optimal communication with teammates, your voice is also transmitted in brilliant quality. The sensitive microphone featuring noise reduction guarantees crystal clear communication for coordinating the next move in the game. Remote. Gaming kit must be instinctive to use. Thanks to its heavy weight and perfect grip, even under intense use, the MEDUSA remote stays exactly where the gamer needs it. With its quick access microphone, mute switch, and intuitive to locate controls for each individual audio channel, you have total control over the untamable MEDUSA sound. Available as a progressive 5.1 jack plug version and also as a USB version with integrated sound card. Coming soon.